Imagine a salon where every individual feels at ease, knowing that their hair and beauty needs will be met with expertise and respect. By fostering an environment of acceptance, you're creating a welcoming atmosphere that encourages and enables clients to be themselves. Take a moment to think about your facilities. Have you considered making all toilets gender neutral? Think about the details. Do all restrooms have a sanitary bin? Trans men can still have their cycle. Ensuring that necessities are available in every restroom shows commitment to meeting the diverse needs of all your clients. This small, simple change can send a powerful message of acceptance. Creating a safer environment for gender diverse clients involves more than just using correct pronouns. Aligning your business ethos with inclusivity is crucial to a modern, thriving business. Once you start to understand the individual needs of a gender diverse customer, you'll ensure they will not only return but become raving fans. Remember, you have the power to be the change in our colourful, vibrant industry. From pronouns to diverse representation, gender-neutral treatments to welcoming facilities, each step creates ripples of inclusivity that resonate far beyond your salon doors.